Most people spend years learning something and still don't get good at it. I've been learning machine learning for a few months. I haven't mastered it yet, but I'm learning way faster than the average college students or average university students. The difference is not talent, the difference is in the learning method. Here's how to learn hard things fast. Method 1: build first, study later. Most people spend months or maybe years reading textbooks, watching videos, watching tutorials. They take notes, they read a lot, and they consume a lot of stuff, but they never build anything with it. And then they wonder why they forgot it all. But I don't learn the same way. I directly start building something. Pick up a small project, start building. You will get stuck in 20 minutes, or maybe 30 minutes, or maybe an hour. But that doesn't matter. You need to start building and then fill in the gaps by learning. And that's when you actually learn. Not by watching tutorials for 10 hours or maybe reading a 500 pages textbook. That's not learning. Learning happens when you get stuck, when you want to solve actual problems. You don't need 12 chapters or maybe 15 chapters. You need the one concept that solves your problem. And that's how you effectively learn in this AI era. You can't waste your time reading textbooks or watching endless tutorials. Method 2 is a focus hack that I use for myself. I also call it the time lapse hack. Distraction is the biggest killer. One Instagram notification and you have wasted 40 minutes on it. So I've thought about this one trick. Whenever I build something or work on something or learn something, I just shoot a time lapse of myself. So my phone is stuck there. I can't check my phone. I need to finish my complete session to check my phone. And that trick has completely changed my focus levels. I can't check my Instagram in between my session. I can't check my Twitter. I can't do anything on my phone because my phone is busy recording a time lapse. This is a very easy to implement and very effective hack. Deep work becomes automatic. You don't need to force yourself because you have no option. You can't take your phone. Method 3: you need to teach in order to learn. Every time I learn something or build something new, I tweet about it instantly. I try to explain it in simple words. This technique was invented by a very, very great scientist, Richard Feynman. He says, in order to learn, you need to teach it. If you can't explain it in simple words, you don't understand it. If you can't explain it to a 5-year-old kid, you don't understand it. So this hack helps me simplify complex stuff so I know that I understand it actually from the roots. This is the best way to learn something from the roots, how the things work at back end. If you think you understand some complex topic or maybe you understand neural networks, for example, try to explain it in one tweet in simple words. Try to explain it in words that a normal person can understand who is not in tech or maybe whatever the topic is. In this AI era, learning hard things fast is the most important skill you can have. Not what you know today, but how fast you can learn something new is very important in this AI era because things are changing very rapidly, very fast. You need to keep up the speed. You need to master the art of learning hard things fast and the art of focus, sitting and doing one thing for straight 3 hours without any distractions. Modern deep work is shallow. People can't even focus on one thing for 7-8 minutes. Forget about 3 hours. But if you can do, you are already going well. You are already crushing the competition. You just need to do it consistently for a longer period of time. That's it. That's all you need. Build first, stay focused, and teach what you learn. That's all you need to learn hard things fast in the AI era. Start today. I'll see you in the next one.